when you buy a new battery from these people, the first and foremost thing they say is, "Sir, நீங்க ஒன்றும் பண்ணாதீங்க, ஒரு 3 to 6 months கழிச்சு என்கிட்ட வாங்க." This is where most of you will tell me, "Hey, I have a maintenance-free battery. I paid extra for it. Why do I need to check the amount of water in my battery?" And that's where you're wrong. This is where I reveal one of the biggest scams in the automobile battery replacement sector. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the JRS Cars YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all you need to know in maintaining your car or bike's battery, and yes, this does include maintenance-free batteries as well as exposing one of the biggest scams in the automobile battery replacement sector. Let's get started straight away. Before we get started, I do recommend you watch this video fully because the 5 minutes of time you spend watching this video will save you anywhere between 3,000, 8,000 or even more in expensive battery replacements. Well, let's get right into the video now. So the first and foremost and the most important thing are clean battery terminals. These 2 points, the positive and the negative, are the contact points of the battery with the vehicle. Now don't worry, this will not be a very technical video. What you must ensure is that the battery terminals are as clean as possible. I'll put up images over here of a dirty battery terminal, and if your terminal is like this, all you got to do is add some hot water, add some baking soda, give it a good scrub, and well, that will be it. The second and the most important thing is the level of water in the battery. This is where most of you will tell me, "Hey, I have a maintenance-free battery. I paid extra for it. Why do I need to check the amount of water in my battery?" And that's where you're wrong, because any battery which allows you access to the cells either through this or through pull tabs, these batteries are not completely maintenance-free, and yes, you do need to check the water in them periodically. Every 3 to 6 months would be the ideal limit, and if you don't do that, well, you're the loser because, well, your battery is going to go flat and die soon. So how do you really know whether your battery is maintenance-free or not? As mentioned, if you can access the cells directly, then yes, your battery is not maintenance-free and you do need to check the water level periodically. Talking about that, how do you check the water level in your battery? All you got to do is pick up our old friend over here, a 2 rupee coin, twist it until it comes loose, and with the magic of editing, so this is how the battery looks inside. And as you guys can see, that platelet over there should be covered by approximately half an inch of water. Now how do you know how much is half an inch of water? Well, in this particular battery we see a green color prong extending all the way. Basically the water level should touch that prong. If you don't have that, then the base of the battery cell, right, the green color part over there, that would be the ideal amount of water which should be there in the battery. So as you guys can see, this battery seems to be all good. Taking a look at the battery on my Ford icon, you can see that the battery plates are covered by water, but as you can see, the water on top is not much. In this case, the battery does require a top up. Let me show you exactly how to do battery top up. The first thing is not to take water and dump it onto the battery terminal. That will overflow the battery and cause even more damage. What you must do is take a bottle of distilled water. Do not use mineral water, tap water, dirty water, hose water, whatever. Use only distilled water. And yes, this video is not sponsored by Diet Aqua. Anyway, what you want to do now is keep the bottle somewhere safe and use this ink dripper or water picker or whatever it's called. This is what you must use to take water and fill up your battery cells. Let me show you how. Fill up water in the ink dripper and add it to the cell. Yeah. So basically you want the amount of water in the cell to be half an inch above the platelets, or you see the inner ring over there, this blue thing over here, the inner edge, that's the level to which the water level should be for the perfect battery. So with the magic of editing, let's quickly finish this up. So that's the level of water, which I think you can pick it up over here. Yeah, just at the base of the blue ring. That's the level of water. I'll put a marker over here on the screen. So this is the ideal amount of water which you must have in your battery. Just repeat this for the remaining 6 cells, and well, your battery should be good to go for another 3 to 6 months. And with that, you guys saw just how easy it is to top up your battery and keep everything perfectly in tip-top condition. And this is where I reveal one of the biggest scams in the automobile battery replacement sector by dealers or other sub-dealers. Well, when you buy a new battery from these people, the first and foremost thing they say is, "Sir, நீங்க ஒன்றும் பண்ணாதீங்க, ஒரு 3 to 6 months கழிச்சு என்கிட்ட வாங்க." Basically meaning, after 3 to 6 months, come to us for a checkup. What happens is, each and every time you go for a checkup, they will purposely overfill the battery with excess distilled water, And this, as you guys expected, is not good for the battery. What does this do? You drive your car, the battery heats up, and this excess water will start coming out over here to the cells and will corrode both your connectors, as well in the long run corrode your battery. And well, that will cause your battery to fail and well go back to them for a brand new battery. This is one of the biggest scams in the automobile battery replacement sector, and well, now you know how it happens and you also know how to prevent it, which is basically take care of the battery yourself. So guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, give the video a thumbs up, that's a like button. Take a second to subscribe if you're not already done. And leave a comment down below if you learned something new. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, especially if you like to take care of your cars by yourself. With that, I hope your battery really lasts for a very long time with my tips and tricks. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video really soon. Take care, bye bye, drive safe.